We are back again and we've made some progress. You'll notice that everything is mounted to the base plate now, including the transformers, very firmly. With each of them, I put some neoprene underneath just to reduce vibrations that might happen. Actually, I didn't put any neoprene in this one, so I may have to take it off and put it back on. We'll see. The ASR modules, the shunt regulators, there's a lot of controversy as to how much heat are they going to generate, and is it enough just to have them mounted on this great big 3mm aluminum sheet on the base, or is that enough or not? So just in case, I stuck these nice little heat sinks on here, and I drilled some extra holes so the air can flow from the bottom past the heat sinks and up through the top. So I'm sure we're going to be fine. Of course, we still have the HackerCaps to populate, and I'll explain those in a second, but I don't want to put them directly on the base plate until I get these modules wired up here. Power from here into this point, and then audio, of course, are all along the back here. As far as the HackerCap, I'm doing it in a bit different way than normal. Normally with a HackerCap, you'd sort of have, what is it, plus and minus. So we have, this normally would be positive out. So they normally would be like this. And you'd have the center tap of a transformer come to here. And then you'd have the negative side, positive side, and end up getting, plus 0, negative across the end here. In this case, we don't want to do that. We want to have 0 in the middle and positive on this side, positive on that side. So to do that, I'm going to have each of these flipped around like this. And this is going to be my 0 point because all of the 0 rails come back to this point. So this is star ground. Each of these rectifier boards are going to be mounted. There's a little spot just below, between those two grounds, just to this side. So I will drill a little hole so that we can mount those there. Each transformer, this one and this one for this side, the transformer is going to come here, jump up, hit AC, top and bottom there, and then negative on this side, which will immediately jump down to here. Positive is going to go to this point, and actually we'll come over to this side, it's a little bit easier to see. So positive on this side. So negative goes to the center point, positive needs to go to both of these. This one primarily because it's going into this capacitor. On the other side, it's got to go there as well because it is feeding this little resistor, which is the bleed resistor, and a LED just to indicate that there is power there. So we've got positive here. The grounds from these capacitors come down to this point. Same situation here, grounds come back to this point, but positive here comes down to here. Then there will be a choke that I will put there between the two positives and the capacitors. And then this one will come from its positive up to this point. There'll be a little spade connector there. That positive will come over to a positive in here on the ASR. Here's negative in on the ASR. So the grounds will come somehow get up to that point. And then output and output, the ground also goes through to the 5-pin connector. So this module is a single 5-pin DIN with two 24 volt supplies. Same situation over here. That is the whole run of it. I think that's got it covered for the moment. I hope you're enjoying the show. Talk to you later.